Let's talk about chain Opra, also known as COAI, and right now it is sitting at 96 cents, 96, and now it's 97 cents. And the overall case scenario of this coin is very tricky in a sense that if you look at it, it has a very horrible structure. We had a neckline at $5, just a recap of a story. This is a double top structure, and then it delivered on it. It went down. I wanted it to stabilize above $1, hold on to the dollar. And then, of course, the recent beautiful case scenario happened. I mean, it's not that it didn't deliver on what we were planning on to. It did, don't get me wrong. I was expecting it to hold on to $1 and then have a dead cat bounce. That did happen. It held on to the dollar. It went to 2.3. It did over 100%. So we have hit our target. The first initial target we had was at 1.76, and we were expecting a further journey up. So that cat bounce has happened. Now the question that remains afterwards is that it went below $1. It started closing daily candles below $1. Now since it has closed 2 daily candles below the area of $1, now this remains a questionable area. Every time it goes, it touches and then it plummets down. It has a wick above it, but the body of the candle is below it. So we have 2 daily candles and the third one is in action. That pretty much weakens the case scenario for this stability of $1. Right now, the only thing that I can expect from this coin is that until and unless it doesn't stabilize above $1, we cannot have any upward journey. And upward journey is a crazy one. I mean, if it stabilizes above $1, it is going to shoot up 76% by going and hitting 1.76, and then again we can start talking about the journey towards $5. So we are talking about more than 500% of a pump on this coin. But the thing is that it needs to hold on to the dollar. It is putting up a really good fight because below the dollar, the only support area it has is at 50 cents. That's something I have already shared. I'll share that with you again. So if you look at it, 1.76 was our target and 50 cents is the support area. According to TA, $1 is not a support area whatsoever, but I use $1 as a support area because even though the TA would disagree with it, I don't care about the T part on it. I think $1 is a psychological support area, and the way the chart is reacting around this dollar, I think that is pretty much good to assume, because if you look at it, yes, it did bleed on the crash. It went to 79 cents, but it didn't go to 50 cents, which is the TA support area. It is fighting as much as it can. It is trying its best to cling on to this area. So that shows that overall, close to $1, there is a lot of buying interest in this coin. Either it is because of the DCA, a lot of people have purchased this coin in the wrong place, which is they've purchased it around $6, $8, $9. So seeing it under $1 is of course an invitation for DCA, or there are people who are trying to buy now, collect now because they believe in this project and they want it to go up. From all perspectives, if we talk about it, it is putting up a fight, but at the same time, you can see how volatile it is. We are talking right now, it's already at 94 cents. It was at 97 cents, and 3 cents is not small. I'll tell you that how much is the value of a 3 cents on a 97. That's a 3% drop. 3% drop, decrease of 3%. That's pretty massive. So it's not small. But the thing is that this coin still has energy. What I like about it is that there is still life left in it. I would be worried about this project if I see that the volume has started disappearing, the volatility is disappearing. I would say people have given up on it. But if it somehow manages to live above $1, it stabilizes above $1 for more than 2 days, you should assume a journey towards $5. Nothing less, nothing more. That's the first target. And that's pretty much it with this coin. I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.